Hello everyone. Today we're going to go through the setup of a particle photon board and being able to connect it to the cloud using your cell phone. What you'll see below here is the equipment that you'll need to be able to do this. You'll need your cell phone, you'll need the Photon package with the Photon on the proto board, and you'll need a USB cable to micro USB cable. Okay. For the next step, I've gone ahead and unpackaged the Photon and plugged it into an external battery pack for power, just for easy use and for flexibility. And as you can see, the Particle app is already open on my Android phone. The Particle app can be easily downloaded from the Play Store and will install automatically. Now, because this is a new Photon, you'll see that the blue light is flashing already, which means that it's already good to go for setup. So our next step will be to press the Get Started on the app. Here is showing our existing devices that are already connected to the app. In this case, this is the first device we'll be setting up, so the list is blank. So to add this, all we'll be doing is pressing the plus button. And it gives you three options: set up a Photon, set up an electron, and set up a core. In this case, we are using a Photon, so we'll go with that option. Once you see this screen, just double check to make sure your Photon is still plugged in and flashing blue. Make sure that your phone is connected to the internet, as the connection happens through the cloud, not necessarily your internal Wi-Fi network. So be sure to have a Particle account already set up prior to going into this. If you have all that ready to go, select Ready. And there you go. It took a moment, but it found it through the cloud, and there's my Photon. At this point, just select the Photon, and it's connecting. Give it a moment here. And now, there's a step I have to do because of a manual network. So I will select a manual network. I will enter in my network information. There we go. It is connected to the network. You can see the green light flashing on the Photon as I was trying to connect. And there we go. You can see that the Photon itself has the light blue on, solid, and we have our check mark from the phone. So setup is completed successfully. Done. Now, we have our device available on our list. So, what we can do is we can go ahead and select it. One key thing to notice here: the blue light on the Photon now, it almost has like a heartbeat pulse to it, where it goes light, then dim, then light. And this is how you know that it's fully connected to your system. To power the LED onto D7, we'll have to select the device itself. As you see, it's now on our list. So we're going to select our device, and we're going to make D7 a digital write. So we're going to go digital write after we click D7, and there it goes. So you'll see that it now has a red circle to show that it's allocated. And to power it on, all we do is press next to it, and it goes to a high. And you can see the LED on. When we go low, the LED turns off. Again, high, low. And that's just one example of what we can do directly using Tinker with the board. Well, I hope you enjoyed the setup video for this, and there'll be more to come possibly. Thank you.